Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to work on 10R, my Gen 4, the old model, and we are going to install coilovers. They just arrived. I bought the second-hand coilovers for this bike. I don't want to spend too much on this bike, so yeah, it's going to be cheap, budget, track build. So yeah, so this is my first time I'm going to open the bike. I already checked the filter inside right here. It's fucking dirty, and I have a big plans for this bike. And even my friend Brett somehow lost the pressure, so I have to check that. So yeah, enjoy it. What the fuck? I never saw anyone zip tie the fucking battery. Now that's funny. And even the taps, side fairing taps are broken. Fuck man, too many zip. Oh shit! He zip tied the whole plastic or what? Oh no! Now that's so funny. Shit! He zip tied the plastic. The way what zip tie? Oh shit! Tray is moving. Maybe let me focus. Watch. Damn. So let's open it and let's find more hidden damage. What the fuck is Wait a minute. What the fuck is that? Someone put Scotch Brite inside the holy shit. Now that's funny. Looks like injector 3 is leaky. I have to check that. Since this is my ECU, I think, air sensor. So yeah, let's open it. Let's see how's the condition. Holy crap, man! They fuck up the wiring too. It's okay. It's dirty. Filter is super dirty. Cannot see the shit. See the sun? Nah. So yeah, sorry about it. They are super dirty. Okay, everything is out. Fuck, it's dirty. Even the rotor blades, fuck, they're dirty as fuck. So I will change the coins. This is the coins, all 4 coins. Then I will. Let's hopefully the bike will run on all 4 cylinders. So yeah, A-box. It's 20 years old. I washed the filter and put it on the dry. Like this, it's on the dry mode. So yeah, so I changed the coils. All 4 coils are changed. I checked the spark plugs. The spark plug, now it's clean. It's much clean. I cleaned the throttle body a little bit from here. The plates are clean. It's completely stable. So not bad. And I cleaned the airbox. And this is the old coin. All 4 old coins. This one is spark labeled. Focus please. Spark labeled. So I'm not going to bore you with the closing process. I will close it, then I will talk to you guys. Okay.